Number 12, here we're going to graph the exponential function by first filling in the chart, then identifying the characteristics of this graph. So here we have that function itself, okay? And then you just want to enter this into a calculator and substitute different x's in. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. 1.5 to the x, right? Okay, so once you plug in the different values, so if you plug in -4 here for the x, you should get the value of 0.5926. If you plug in a -2, it gets you 1.3333. If you plug in a 0, it gets you a 3. If you plug in a 1, it gets you 4.5. If you plug in a 2, it gets you 6.75. If you plug in a 3, it gets you 10.125. All right, so now we just use those points to graph. Okay, so the first one, it is -4, 0.5. So -4, 0.5 is somewhere right here. Then we have -2 at 1.3, somewhere right here. 0, 3, 1, 4.5. 2 is at 6.7. Then 3 is all the way up here at like 10, right? So we can now connect it. It looks like it does go like this. And that is considered a growth. The asymptote is this line down here, which is going to be y equals to 0. Then the y-intercept is right here at the point of 0, 2. No, 0, 3, which is also being visually shown there and there as well. Let's do B now. Okay. So now we just enter that in a calculator and we get our values of our points. So if we plug in a -4 in here, we're gonna get the number 0.3199. If we plug in a -2, we get 0.9796. Okay, then if we plug in, hold on, let me see if, oh, sorry. I typed in the wrong thing. To the x. Yes, okay, this makes more sense, sorry. Because the number, this is supposed to be a decay. The b value is 0.75. It's supposed to be a decay, right? -4, it is 9.4815. -2 for the x gets you 5.333. 0 for the x gets you a 3. 1 gets you a 2.25. 2 gets you a 1.6875. And a 3 gets you 1.2656. And again, the numbers are getting smaller, so this is going to be a decay. Let's see it. So -4 to the 9th is somewhere up here. -2 to the 5 to the 3rd looks like it's right here. 0, 3, 1, 2.25, 2, 1.6, 3, it is 1.2. So it is decaying right here, okay? The asymptote is right here for the y-intercept. So that is y equals to 0. The intercept here, it is going to be 0, 3, which is also shown here as well. Right? So there you go. That is how you graph the exponential function.